In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot with Microsoft Power BI. This is a great way to integrate your data seamlessly between these two powerful platforms, making your analytics and reporting more efficient and insightful. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to head over to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, find the User Guide section. The User Guide is an invaluable resource that provides detailed instructions and helpful tips, and it's a great starting point for setting up the connection. Use the search bar or navigate the menu to locate it. Having this as your first step will provide clear guidance and ensure you are on the right path. Next, you'll want to click on the Marketplace. The Marketplace in HubSpot is like a bustling hub full of various apps and integrations that can enhance the functionality of your HubSpot environment. Clicking on Marketplace will give you access to a wide array of additional tools that can boost productivity and provide expanded capabilities within HubSpot. Once in the Marketplace, direct your attention to the Apps section. This is where you can search for different apps to integrate with HubSpot. It's an easy and organized way to browse through available integrations. The Apps section is specifically designed to allow you to find what you need quickly, and it's understandable if it feels like the nerve center of all your productivity apps. Now, it's time to type in Microsoft Power in the search bar. Typing in these keywords will filter your results and narrow down your options to those most relevant to what we are trying to accomplish today. This is a straightforward search process, but very effective when trying to locate Microsoft's tools in the midst of a plethora of options available. After finding it, click on the Power BI integration. This particular integration will allow you to connect your HubSpot data directly with Power BI, enabling you to analyze and visualize your HubSpot data in a dynamic and interactive way. It's essential you select the correct integration to ensure seamless connectivity and data flow between the two platforms. Finally, click on Install App. This is the last yet critical step in the process. Installing this app will initiate the connection, making it possible to leverage the full potential of Power BI alongside your HubSpot data. Follow the prompted instructions to complete the setup. Remember, successful installation means you're ready to explore a new level of data analysis and visualization. And there you have it. Following these steps should have your HubSpot integrated with Microsoft Power BI, providing you with a powerful toolkit for your data analytics needs. Make sure to check both platforms for any prompts or additional instructions following the installation process, and enjoy enhanced insights and decision-making capabilities. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.